Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about on the topic virtual data rooms for manufacturing, ensuring IP protections. The significance of IP in manufacturing. Introductions. In the manufacturing industry, intellectual property often represents significant investment in research, development, and innovations. Protecting this IP is crucial for maintaining a competitive edge and ensuring profitability. Types of IP in manufacturing: patents, covering inventions, processes, or designs; trademarks, protecting brand names, logos, and symbols; trade secrets, key processes or formulas that give a company a unique advantage; copyrights, covering manuals, product designs, or software used in manufacturing. VDRs as a solutions for IP protection. Secure data storage. Virtual data rooms provide encrypted storage solutions, ensuring that sensitive IP data is kept safe from cyber attacks and unauthorized access. Controlled access. VDRs allow manufacturers to set up layered and role-based access to documents. This ensures that only authorized personnel can access certain IP assets based on their role and requirements. Traceability and auditing. VDRs offer robust tracking features that logs every access and actions taken on a document. This creates an audit trail that can be crucial for understanding who accessed what and when. Collaboration with safety. Manufacturers often need to collaborate with external entities like suppliers, distributors, or consultants. Virtual data rooms provide a secure environment for this, ensuring that IP is shared safely. Implementing VDRs in manufacturing for optimal IP protection. Assessment and categorization. Before uploading to a VDR, categorize IP assets based on their sensitivity and importance. This helps in setting appropriate access level of later. And regular training, ensure that employees are trained on how to use the VDR and the significance of IP protection. Best practices for data security. Continuous monitoring. Appoint a dedicated team or individuals to regular monitoring at VDR activity, ensuring that any suspicious activations are flagged and dealt with immediately. In conclusion, in the highly competitive world of manufacturing, where IP often define a company's value or edge, VDRs play a pivotal role by providing adapting VDR solutions tailored for their needs. Manufacturer can ensure robust IP protection and facilitating innovation with confidence. That's all everyone. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions about the topic, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching this video.